In front of me, there's a skateboard. A small skateboard. Look at the size of the skateboard. And that's what makes it perfect, because it's small. But because it's small, it also means it's hard to ride. It's more like a kid's skateboard. But it's super cheap, and that's what I like as well, because I found the skateboard for $9. Brand new, and I got 2 of them. As you can see, this is what it looks underneath. The trucks themselves are actually made with plastic, right? But there's a metal shaft. It has bearings, right? Which is good. But then if you tighten this bolt too much, the wheel itself starts to bind. So that's a disadvantage. It's only rated for 20 kgs, but I'm going to have 2 of them. Now you may be asking, okay, you said it's unrideable. Why do you have 2 of them? That's because I'm actually going to use them like roller skates. Look at that. Because it's so small, I think the potential is big. Look at that. This is perfect. All right. Now all I have to do is build it. But first we have to see how it performs as a skateboard. All right, let's test out the skateboard. Okay. Right, on a normal skateboard, you push it and then ride. Right, so push, ride. All right. One more time. We'll try again. Right. Angle, push, ride. All right, it works. Okay. Let's try one leg. Push. All right. One leg works, but the distance traveled it's not worth it. Like, if you're only going to travel that much from one push, you're better off walking. But let's build this project. Okay, we're going to start off with the 2 brand new skateboards. Instead of using shoes, I'm going to use these old sandals of mine. I'm going to drill 2 holes through the sandals and the skateboards, and then add bolts and washers to them. Tighten the bolts, and it's ready to go. Right, so in order for me to fit the style, I think I need to put on glasses, because how can you look cool without any glasses? All right, so boom. Oh, much better. Perfect. How do I look? Okay. Now, basically, in this bag, I have myself roller skates. All right, as you can see, they're super portable. All I have to do is just pull these things out like that. So portable. And then just close the bag just like that. All right. Next, I'll just have to do this. Remove the shoes. All right. Because, as you know, roller skates, they shoes with wheels. Okay. To make it easy, I'll just put it in the bag. Okay. Put the shoes back in the bag. Just like that. All right. Put the bag down. Okay. Now we'll take our roller skates. Oh, before I put them on, as you can see, so basically I put sandals, right? And then there's 2 bolts holding them in place with massive washers, because if I never use the washers, the bolt will just sink into the shoe and destroy the shoe itself. This is what underneath the skateboard looks like. All right. Feels weird having shoes with wheels. Okay. Just put that on, put the strap. Boom. Okay. And then on this sandal, I actually use hot glue to fix it. All right, so let's continue. All right. And where's the hole? Boom. Boom. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay. All right. I'm airborne. Okay. Woo. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Safety first. Gotta wear gloves. It's getting dangerous. Okay. All right, I think we're ready for takeoff. Okay. What's that? All right. So, walking. Looks like I can walk, which is beautiful. If I put the skateboard straight, can I go? Nope. Oh! All right. All right. Round two. All right. Make a U-turn. Got it. All right. Woo! My back. Ooh. Come on. Come on, baby. Ooh. All right, let's go. Let's see. Yeah, let's continue. Woo. This thing is dangerous. Maximum. All right. I think I'll do the final round. Whew. It's getting on. All right. I think that's the end of that. Shoe broke apart. As you can see, look at the damages are crazy. Oh man. Whew. I think I'll take this thing. As you can see, those are the skateboard shoes. They're dangerous. I think I'll just go with normal skateboards. There's no more skateboards. No more skates. Whew. Alright. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video.